515-78514, doing a branch line inspection on the kitchen sink main line. Currently looking right at the building main, right by the basement toilet. We snaked this line with a smaller snake and got some roots out of it. As you can see, the line is holding water, doesn't have great grade on it. Looks like got some buildup in the pipe there, and some root intrusion. Kind of looks, yep, that's root intrusion on the right hand side there. Ooh, looks like a big old root intrusion right there. So roots have infiltrated this older 2-inch cast pipe, and it doesn't have good grade on it. See if we can get our lens cleaned off here. It's not going to be very easy to camera this line with the buildup in the pipe and the low grade to get a very clear image. There's a big ball of sludge that got knocked loose. Can you go run the kitchen sink for me? That's really low pressure, so run it for like 30 seconds. We're going to run the kitchen sink line here and hopefully get this kind of flushed out for us, maybe get a better image. That's a little better. Yeah, you're good. You can turn it off. So definitely some heavy buildup around the pipe here. Older home on the South Hill, probably the original pipe. Heavy buildup, can't really determine the condition of the pipe at this point, but it certainly is very built up. Wouldn't want to try to cable this with a bigger cable by any means. It may or may not cause issues in the pipe. This right here, I can't determine if that's just buildup or if the pipe's more compromised at that spot. That also potentially could be some more root growth as well. That's just covered in sludge and grease, and we can't really determine if it's just roots or not. Yeah, definitely some corroded old pipe, very, very scaled up and not looking great. Here, we're about to come out of the clean out here. The pipe running, the vertical stack that has the clean out that we're using is all ABS. Looks like they chopped open the concrete and just made a repair to this pipe where it meets the ground. As you can see here, it looks like the ABS may be a little compromised with the whatever fitting they use to get into the cast there. It is built up, pipe is out of alignment. I'm not sure if this fitting has failed. It looks like the pipe is slightly deformed as well. So not exactly sure what the issue is there. We do have some buildup here as well. As you'll see, we're just going to pull right out of this clean out now. And took this video from the stack on the clean out in the basement. Original issue, because this pipe was clogged, when they used the kitchen sink upstairs, they had water seeping out of this concrete patch here. So I'm guessing that has to do with where the ABS meets the cast, but also the cast line also needs attention.